Hello everyone, welcome to the 6 of 10 days of advanced math challenges. So on this one, let's see how we can give a solution to this problem. We have to find the value of x in 6 raised to the power of log x base 6 all square plus x raised to the power of log x base 6 is equal to 12. So this is the 6, and in case you miss the 5, this is the video card for the 5. This is the video card. Just click on it and you take it to the 5. And by the end of this video, I'm going to drop the video card of the playlist. So now let's start solving. So in solving this, so by your normal idea of substitution, by seeing a question like this, you can just see, you can say let log x base 6 be invariable. Let me say a, b, c, d, e, f, g, I, anyone. So I can just say let log x base 6 be equal to a, right? That's it. And if log x base 6 is equal to a, that means x is equal to 6 raised to the power of a. Do you understand what I did there? Let me explain again. Log x base 6 is equal to a. Now I want to convert this to indices. That means x will now be equal to 6 raised to the power of a. So I just converted this logarithm to indices. You understand? So now let's substitute this into the equation. Remember I said let log x base 6 be a, because log x base 6 appeared here and here. That's it. So now I'll have 6 log x base 6 now is a. So I'll have 6 raised to the power of a squared plus x raised to the power of log x base 6 is what? Is a. Will now be equal to 12. Right? That's it. So I can't still solve with this. There's nothing I can do here. But now if you remember here, I said x is equal to 6 raised to the power of a. So I'm going to put 6 raised to the power of a in place of x here. So now I have 6 raised to the power of a squared plus x now is 6 raised to the power of a, or raised to the power of this a you're seeing here. X is 6 raised to the power of a. Now there's an index of a is equal to 12. So I'll have 6 raised to the power of a squared plus 6 raised to the power of a times a is a squared is equal to 12. That's it. So now when I have 6 raised to the power of a squared plus 6 raised to the power of a squared, yes, so since I have 6 raised to the power of a squared plus 6 raised to the power of a squared, I'll just have 2 into 6 raised to the power of a squared will be equal to 12, because this plus this is 2. So now divide both sides by 2. This you cancel this, and I'll have 6 raised to the power of a squared will be equal to 6. 6 raised to the power of a squared is equal to 6. So I've gotten an initial equation of which this one is easy. I can just equate the index, then I'll solve for a. After getting the value of a, I'll put the value of a into this to get the value of x. So now let's equate the index here. So now here is it. 6 raised to the power of a squared is equal to 6. So I'm going to equate the index because the bases are the same. Now don't forget that I have an invisible index of 1 here. On this, there's an invisible index of 1. So when I equate the index, I'll have a squared to be equal to 1. Yeah, a squared is equal to 1. So from here, I'm going to take the square root of both sides to get the value of a. This will cancel, against a will be equal to 1. Yeah, a is equal to 1. So I was not looking for a, I was looking for the value of x. So after getting the value of a, I'm just going to substitute the value of a here. So now I will recall that I said log x base 6 is equal to a. So now since a is 1, I'll just have log x base 6 to be equal to 1. Now when log x base 6 is equal to 1, I can convert this logarithm to indices. Then my x will now be equal to 6 raised to the power of 1. That means x is equal to 6, and I'm done with the question. So that's the answer. X is equal to 6. Now let's check whether the answer is correct. Yes, let's check whether it's correct. So if I put 6 in place of x here, forget about the index first. Here will be 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Is correct. Now if I put 6 here in the index, I'll have, watch, 6 raised to the power of log 6 base 6 all squared plus 6, since x is 6, raised to the power of log 6 base 6 is equal to 12. That's it. Now log 6 base 6 is 1. So I just have 6 raised to the power of 1 squared plus 6 is, but log 6 base 6 is 1 is equal to 12. 1 squared is still 1, and 6 raised to the power of 1 is still 6. 6 raised to the power of 1 is still 6 is equal to 12. So this is 12 is equal to 12. So as you can see now, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yeah, that's it. So I'm done with the question. And that's the answer. X is equal to 6. So if you find the 6 interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Or if you are waiting for the 10th to subscribe, no problem. Me, I'm waiting also. So this is the video card of the playlist. That's it. That's it. You don't disappear. Normally. That's it. So you can go. I'm done. You know, say I will come back there and meet us.